Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun, and after quite a while I'm back with a baking tutorial. Who would have thought that? This time I'm showing you how to make cinnamon rolls. It has become something I love to make because it's not only an easy and quick recipe, but it's also really tasty. So let's go. For the dough you will need 300 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 100 grams of regular sugar, about 180 grams of plain yogurt, and 80 grams of butter. Start off by putting the flour into a mixing bowl. Add the rest of your dry ingredients, aka the baking powder and the regular sugar. Then toss in your butter and yogurt. Be careful with the yogurt. If you put in too much, the dough will become extremely sticky. Mix everything until it turns into a well-combined dough. For the yummy filling, I'm using 100 grams of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 pinch of salt, about 30 grams of butter, and approximately 2 tablespoons of milk. I also suggest having a rolling pin, a pizza cutter, and a little brush around. But before we can use the filling, we need to roll out the dough first. If it's too sticky, you can add a little bit of powdered sugar. With the help of the rolling pin and the pizza cutter, it should look like a rectangle in the end. In a separate bowl, I whisk together the brown sugar, cinnamon, salt, and cornstarch. Take your butter and lightly brush it onto your dough. Then sprinkle on your filling mixture evenly and press it in. Use your pizza roller to cut everything into stripes. Now you can simply roll them up and transfer them onto a baking sheet. Pro tip, try to tuck in the outer edges a little bit so the rolls won't come apart while baking. The last thing before they hop into the oven is to coat them with some milk. Put them in at 200 degrees Celsius. They don't need long, no longer than 20 minutes. Depends on how chewy you like them. Last but not least, we need the iconic glaze, which has just 2 ingredients, 40 grams of powdered sugar and 100 grams of cream cheese. Simply mix it and you're ready to go. Let the cinnamon rolls cool off and add your glaze. Et voila, you did it! I love how they taste. I hope you liked this video. See you hopefully next time. I'm Smileypeacefun. Bye!